Alright guys, I am Linear Algebra. In this video we're gonna be looking for to real life hacking scenario 4. I hope you will be to help too much. It's not ethical and there is no legal at YouTube Creative 4 to real life hacking scenario. I thought myself and I got it before too many things. For example, at my university, you're generally using your certipy, and then mssql is the too many things about real life hacking scenario. In this video, we're gonna be solving Windows Machine Ads Manager. So let's get started. So alright, so I think the first thing we have to be to starting here mmap scan for understanding port and protocol number is over there, then we can be accesses or something like that different about machine like that. So let me go. Alright, if you're checking here any AD port, so if it's working on the web server, you have to be starting here Burp Suite Community Edition. So it will be really useful for you about understanding to important idea about the targets, the architecture. So let me just looking for that. So alright, so we got here the two and just for to one directory. So we got here contact HTML. So generally using here at when I saw like to be to message or to get it here to email number, I generally using here to access. I think you have to be try it firstly or to penetrate tester. So let's get started with XSS here, but I think it's not gonna be working because they are just redirect as question mark is over here. Yeah, alright, so they have now accesses on to let's get in touch. It means to looking for to access not look like a useful here. So but to Windows machine I want to be tell you about, you have to be focused on your mmap result. I know we got here too many things, but if it's working on a Windows machine, you have to be focused on here not IP addresses. You have to be focused on to looking forward to your mmap result. Alright, so we got it here. So alright, so we got here they are using here domain AD port is open and card browse. We can create a card browse here, and the most important things I think is here LD app. And yes, I've thought of it before. So let me tell you something. I actually hacked my university database. So I access in, and there is a Microsoft SQL server. Yes, they are using like that to the web server, but nothing found here. Just looking towards XSS or something like that. But the important things to how I'm hacking, just I know they are using Active Directory and they were using here to mssql. So I my way was just go there. Alright, so it will be fine for us. For that, just let me save it on my cheat sheet. So I actually want to be adding right now. You have to be use a cheat sheet right now. So let me select. Alright, the first I think we have to focus it on 53. It's hook calls domain name. So it will be useful for us with using here dig, and then you just have to be give to AXFR, and then just give here IP addresses like that. So what was our IP address? Alright, could be fine. 10.10. And the 4 we can call manager.htp. So could be like maybe be no etc host. Is there manager? No. Really? No. etc and host. Manager is over there, yes, it's over here. dc1 and ca manager.htp is over here. Alright, so it's still fine. Okay, but there is no DNS was worked. But I think we can call here if it's not worked for different things, like we just know about it. We have to focus it on Microsoft SQL Server, and it's not old. It could be like really hard for us. But what I got here before, if you're checking here, they are using is definitely is SMB, so we can try to be accesses here SMB. So let me try to be looking for SMB here, SMB client, and then dash L. We just have to be like, oh my god, what's my wrong? Okay, SMB client dash L. Just give this IP addresses here. Okay, really. So yes, just giving here the null for the password. Is there something we can access? No. So if we cannot access us here, we have to be looking for the username, and if we cannot, we can use here read brute for the username brute force attack on the SMB. So let me using for crack map exec, and then the SMB for sure manager.htp, and could be like just give here dash username is anonymous because we have no idea, but username and password just try here same thing where the password it doesn't matter, and then dash read brute on 10,000. So it will be giving us there are just using for the username and password about this SMB client. So now we can on accesses like or the SMB or mssql like that. So we are just looking alright, so we got here brute forcing on RIDS. So alright, okay, so found for us the group and who groups domain controller, domain computers, domain user, domain guest, like that. Then we got here the username of this the SID type user. Okay, so right, we can focus on that. So let me copy that selection, but you have to be provide we got them, but after the what attack, I mean, so we are originally using here crack map exec, so we know, but after the crack map exec, so we got them, right? So let me, for example, like the rat, and then it could be like here, just give it here the rat, then you know we are just get them of the username is who calls operator Jinwoo like that. So I think it's alright. So if we got here all user, now we can create a here user list like alright. So let me just call user.txt. Alright, so we got here Zong, Cheng, like to the China Rain is Ryan, and the Raven, and the Jinwoo, because it could be like that. The China A and operator. Alright, so this is our user.txt. So I think we can try with this to SMB, but so we have no idea about passwords, right? So we have to be firstly is trying to credential for default like admin, I mean like administrator. So definitely we have to be cat here user.txt and just copy that all, and then nano passwords dot txt have to be given here same. All right, so why? So now we got here username and then the password.txt. Let me cut it. The password.txt is the same. I think, and we have to be tried on the SMB or to if you're looking for it before they are using where is there it's on the here mssql, right? So alright, so let me call here again crack map exec smb dash u user.txt and dash p password.txt for we have to be give it here non-capital manager.htp. I think call it here manager.htp to doesn't match as per the correct map exec smb, and I think right now we can call here manager.htp. Doesn't match. All right, so crack map exec usage. Okay. All right, so for the username and password, pretty cool. Yes, I go with them. So if I'm gonna be try like the dash p just operator. No, it doesn't match. It's is not. Oh, all right. Or we get it here crack map exec usage for mssql. Yes. So we have to be try here SMB or operator. So alright, so we got them to operator. So yes, to operator will gonna be work on SMB. I think it will be right. So no, what the fuck. So let's choosing like that. I think will be fine. All right, so we got here the username and password or SMB. Just looking for can we get here mssql for them. So what crack mac exec on not just on SMB mssql. I think it will be giving us here SMB or mssql with which one we have to be focused on the here username and password. So let me give it here password.txt. Yes, I think I'm not getting here something wrong. Okay. So yeah, should I be give it them? I don't think so, but as it could be like useful for us. Anyway, though, just the first thing, just try here what the fuck, smb client dash l and dash u and for operator. Alright, could be like here like that for sure. Operator again, give it here. So but if you're looking for the SMB shares, there is no look like useful share for us. So what I mean, it has to be, we have to be looking for mssql. I think will be fine for us. The for sure so are we gonna be get here mssql with to main controller. Alright, so now we can, alright, so we just have to be using it mssql exec. Yes, it's over there. So oh, so just looking for operator mssql and so why we are not just trying? I know. Okay. So we're gonna be using if we can access this on mssql, I think. Right? So could be fine, just locate mssql client. Which gonna be alright, so let me use it for this mssql in packet. Generally we're gonna be using it. So now we have to be focused on to our domain and just try operator and operator here at manager.htp and dash dc dash ip equal to dc 01 at manager.htp and dash dash windows out. So we are gonna be authentication on Windows. Just give them something wrong. What the fuck, user? Really? Yes, we have to be install here module, I think. So how we can do it, just ask the ChatGPT. Yeah. Alright, so we have to be upgrade or in packet. So firstly, just try pip install upgrade in packet, and then we can call to mssql client. So let me just again try. Alright, so it worked. We got here the shell. It's not actually shell. We are accesses mssql of their user, but we are just here operator, not root is firstly. So okay, so we have to be pen testing here mssql. I mean, so Microsoft SQL Server. So it could be like, for example, to get version number, you can use select version. Alright, so it worked. We got them on together here version number for them. So select from system database principles like that. There's a could be like too many things you can use. I mean, it could be useful for us. But which one we have to be using here? Just looking for here mssql pen testing. I think could be fine for us. So we're gonna be checking them, but we have to be check it all of them here. Hacking articles. Yeah. Alright, select from, select username, like that. Okay. List of directories you can use XP directory. Alright, so let me use it firstly. So there is just All right, it worked. Then we are on the user recovery program data like that. Um, just xp.3 on users. Nothing here. All right, so we can really looking for init I think. So we're gonna be using here something different methods. xp.3 init for example, like that. I don't know. Yes. All right. So we got here customer history logs, temple, and www root. So now it means we can call to customer, for example. So it's just for English username is like that. Looking for history, nothing here. Logs will be fine for us, but nothing here again. And then template. So we are just got here template is IIS temporary compressed files and apps pools. All right, so just looking for here www root. Fine, so we got here about HTML, index HTML, so too many things. So for example, you can call for the HTML file, but if you're checking here, we got different zip file is over here. I think it could be like important to just looking for them. Alright, so we are already installing here website zip formatting here. So let me go here, documents, to go manager, and then cp home LE downloads. So what was our file name is website backup, right? To that here. So I'm using here unzip, and so which one we can call cat index.html looking like not useful. We have to be looking for, oh, did you check it? We got here old configuration XML file. So let me cut it. No, not just like that. Yes, guys, so we got here cat old configuration XML file to username and password. So let me color it with that. So now our username is Raven and manager.htp, and our password is Raven password is over here. So that is really fine. So let me just looking for mssql again. Are they just using here now can we are looking for smb no, yes, I think could be like smb is Raven. The password of Raven is over here. So let me try. Isn't that look like useful for us? So let me call evil windows rm -i manager.htp-u raven-p -p, just give it down. So can we call it here like that? All right, so that is correct. So we have to be at single quotation mark. Alright guys, so we are now accesses this, they are Windows Server here, we are on the documents. So let me go here the back, just call it here a deer, we got here desktop, let me call it here again the deer. Yes, we got here the user.txt, but it's not look like useful for us. We are just looking for how we can upgrade our shell to administrator here. The firstly you have to be try here who am I dash privilege escalation. So we are just looking for the C mention account privilege escalation at workstation on domain. Bypass traverse checking, C increase working set privilege. Just 2 days ago, I got here really cool Windows privilege escalation tricks. Hack tricks is definitely what was on this here. So let me go. Like I was tried with to manually, but if you don't want to be used with manually, like you can just call who am I, and we are just now here to manager and Raven groups. Could be just looking for groups of. All right, to Raven is remote management users group here. And he or she can authenticate user. Alright, so I have no idea what can we use here. So I think we have to be delete them all and just looking for here bloodhound Python. Yes. Just change here IP address. Give it here manager.htp here. It's not DC, it's DC1. Manager.htp dash password on my chichi. Yes, it's here. The user is Raven. Connect an LDAP server on DC1 manager.htp successfully. Alright, we found 11 user, but to try to be used it, I think alright, cp opt winpiece.exe file here, just upload winpiece.exe and just run it. Will not gonna be lost here if we can run winpiece.exe file. So yes, so we got here too many JSON file. I think right now we can call here terminal and cd home Elliot, just let me go, and we'll be fine. Run here sudo how was it, neo4j console, and alright, so it started. Now we can call here bloodhound. Alright, so let me log in successfully here and upload data, other location, Elliot, no way. So delete a note, uploaded here data, alright, so we have to go here, Elliot documents manager. So let me write them all user here. Okay. Alright, so now we can access this here manager.htp for Raven. Okay, mark user as high value, go here analyze, and the shortest vat high value on the manager.htp. Okay, so right now is like not look like useful for us. I think it's so crowded. Alright, so let me call here direct gain and or winpiece.exe is already there. Winpiece x60, no way. Winpiece x64.exe. Is it Raven manager deleted out? Yes, for sure we have to be deleted. Raven manager.htp. Could be like here, I think. So could be like we can wait for winpiece, or let me show you something. You can also use here certipy. Just upload here to winpiece and certipy. If not will gonna be help us, then we can looking for aliap. So okay. Alright, just looking for, can be checking like different IP address on no, they are not using different IP address here, so just go there. Yes, is winpiece.exe is not help us. So now we can call certify.exe here. We can run certify.exe. So how we can use certify.exe here? Certify.exe usage for cat for Active Directory. Understanding certify.exe. Alright, so we can call find vulnerable here. So let me try that. Alright, so now we can try to certify exe just looking for vulnerable, but we missing here vulnerable. Yes. Alright, so we are gonna be checking here something different. If you're checking here no vulnerable certificates templates found, but it's not correct. So if you're checking here information about here allow manage SA to manage certificate for bulletin administrator. So now we can upgrade or shell to administrator just using manage certificates on this over here. So just looking for them. we can do it. Okay, it could be like here. Certify. Certipy usage we can call. All right, there is too many things here. You can looking for everything here. Just we have to be call to manage certificates. Okay, so that's all you have to be do it. So let me call manage here. Yes, to manage certificates is over there, right? So, alright, we found it here, so let me find it here again. It will be fine for us, I think, like, at manage. Alright, so in the previous attack, manage SA permission was used enable to attributes to name to flag the performs escalation 6 attack. Alright, so right, so we have to be used here escalation 6 attack because of we are on manage SA here and manage certificates is over here. You can check. So and it's running on to is over here to administrators, so now we can use it. So yeah, right guys, so we are found or certipy usage file is over here. Now we just have to be use it to escalate 6 is over here. So what was or? So let me add them on or node. This one is equal that is we have to be check result here, successful added officer. Then the checking 2 is here, the checking 3 is there. Okay, and then just give it here the username and password. So write that, just issue requested here, just get them all, and then username and password is like here, I think. All right, so then we can call it here administrator pvx. So just get starting with this. So what was or? Or1 is manager DC01SA at officer or username is Raven, and the or username email address is Raven and manager.htp and the password is equal to here. So now we can call it is like that. Why we are to use it like that. So what was that? Got it here. The before the password is here. I think. Just give it this. Okay. So to what was next? The next one is call here subsay A, but there is no subsay. You know, I think it will be not to need it for us. If it will, we can use it again, but right now we are not looking for a sub SA here, so we can just deleting it. All right, so manager DC01 enable template sub say is it could be like useful for us? I don't think so. Again, there is no subsay. So, okay. I have no idea. Is there usage? I don't think so, but because there is no but when I saw here too many subsay, I think I call it here it's maybe useful, just I don't know. Okay, so our name is manager is here, right? Manager HTTP and the username is Raven. The password we got here before on or GG, right? Is like here. It's not like that. It's like that. So that is correct. Okay. To SA manager dot HTTP, and this A is here. We can call again manager dot SA. Okay, so now we're gonna be using it again. Okay, just call here manager again, DCSA, enable template subcade, his username is Raven, it's like that, right? Raven at manager.htp, and the password, yes, is over there. Again, we have to be give it. Yeah, it's really not hard to find, but just ready is look like too hard for me. Okay, so username again is over here, right? And then password is over here. And then corp DCA, just change with manager DC01. The target is manager.htp-up and administrator. Again, we have to be changed with manager.htp. Okay. For sure, again here we can call and the username, the password. So I gotta get here to message. So certify that the username again here we can call is Raven's username, right? Yes, the password is not equal that. The SA corp, not corp, manager, and not DC, is just DC1 target. Manager.htp. So we just have to be created certified with that, and if it's gonna be work, we got here to administrator PVX of user. I have no idea, but just try to be login with them. So it will be giving us here to message is successfully add officer, right? Yes, that is correct. Yes, alright, so it's gonna be work, so let me just try it again. So it's running here. Let me try this one, if it's not work. Okay. Got user to invalid or not arguments or invalid. So use debug to print strike it. So yes, it's because it's not manager DC, it's manager DC1, and the username and password we got here. What message should I get here? Yes. Okay. Alright, this is successfully again. So let's do this fastly. Yes. As our K name is 30, right? Alright, so we just have to be give it here. This name is issue request. Could be like here the I don't know, it could be like 30. I don't know. Just try. Okay, then just retrieve is again 30 here. Alright guys, then we got here administrator PVX. That is really cool. So now we just have to be created administrator PVX. So certipy administrator PVX. So alright, so we got here the root, guys. Really cool. I really like it. So I love Windows machine. Know what I mean? So it's like certipy, right? Certipy dash PVX. Is it could be like that? How was it? Authentication. Yes, authentication dash PVX and administrator PVX for the get to hash password of the administrator. If it's not gonna be working, you have to be created your clock. So our clock is not safe like that. So we have to be create our clock. So is it could be with how was it? I was now what I is like NS updates. Alright, so it was NS update or yes not cronny with NS key update or is like NS key update or something. Yeah, it could be like NS. Alright, yes, that was like that NS update, not NS update. It could be no, it's like NS update. Oh, so let me use it NS update, but I don't think so. I really don't think so. NS update. Okay. Certify set clock. Yes, it could be like that, but is it could be like here, maybe under. Alright, in summary, no. It's like Anki update. Anki. How was that? I don't know. So I don't remember. I really don't remember. It's like alright, so no administrator PVX. So I think again to ask this certipy is like NS update or yes, we have to be synchronized or clock. or anti-update like that. Yes, I think it's like that. All right, so anti-pdate as manager.htp will give us to same clock. It's not like anti-pdate as manager.htp, anti-pdate dash as manager.htp, and certipy. Gain it. Okay. Anti-pdate. Just use without s. Oh my god. So we have to be set our clock by them. Oh my, what is kinet administrator.manager.htp? Key destroy and kinet. So let me use it. What the fuck, I wanna be using here ns update. No. Anti-pdate dash h. Okay. Log the system log. Specify timeout. Yes, I think could be dash s here. Not work. So is it could be different method to get to change our clock here. What was it? Like I think anti-pdate will gonna be work, but I don't know why. Okay. Set clock that. What the fuck is apt-get install kinet? But kinet was not work. Yeah, there is. The fuck. Let's try this because we have no chance either. Yes. Or okay. cannot for real to intel credentials. Set clock this on my Kali Linux. Just do it. What the fuck, bro? You wired to command me on Kinet. What the fuck? Forget Kinet. Yeah. Set that. What the fuck? Set my clock at my Kali. Why Kali Linux? I mean, so ChatGPT is done today. Yes. What was date? It's not changing, bro. It's not change. What the fuck? What the fuck? I really don't care, okay? Fine, right now, let's try my to Linux and log in again. It will be changed, but I don't think so. So we got here administrator PFX is over here. You just have to be cracked it with certify authentication dash PFX administrator PFX. Then you get here to hash for administrator. Alright guys, this is of the another video of for us to real life hacking scenario. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please provide and the likes and the subscription. I really needed it. And thank you for watching again.